Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm making a smoothie, but the thing is, I'm making it with a food processor because my blender broke or malfunctioned. So this is how I do it. If I had mangoes, I would put mangoes. The mangoes I have are not ripe, so I've soaked dates until they are very soft. I soak them, I think, in the morning. It doesn't matter as long as until they become really soft. So I'll put this is aloe vera powder. I have a video on how to make that if you're interested, but this time I made it with the food processor. I just dried them, and instead of putting it in the blender, I put it in the food processor. So I'm going to put dates, that, and some stinging nettle, and and some neem, a little neem powder, because I like mixing sweet and greens. So this is how I do it. So when you do it with a food processor, it has to be powdered greens. It can't be whole greens because they won't blend, or my food processor won't blend it. So I'll just put them all together and then I show you after I blended. Okay, now I've just put them all together. So this is neem, nettle leaf powder. This is seaweed. This is a baobab powder. Down there is aloe vera powder, and obviously the dates. I first blend it with very little water, then I add water so it doesn't end up pouring when it becomes too much. So just blend it all up, and this is how it looks without more added water. So just add water, then it will be nice and funny looking. Okay, there is the smoothie. It didn't look all that, but still a nice consistency. I normally water it down more than that, so I'm sorry it's not focusing. There you go. So it's normally sweet bitter. As I put neem, put aloe vera powder, put nettle powder. Have I said neem? And obviously I put the baobab powder, the dates, and sea some water, obviously, and the seaweed powder. So that's it. That is my smoothie. I think I'll water it down a bit. I've gotten used to making it so watery that seems too thick for me. Yes. Alright, that's it, people. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more recipes and click the bell icon to get notified when I post more recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye.